Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making family pork spare ribs today. This rib is for an event that I have to go later on, and that's why I'm preparing it. So I decided to just film the whole tutorial. So this spare ribs actually cost me $18 and change, rounded up. $19 for this whole thing. So I already cleaned it and everything else, but I haven't seasoned it yet. So what you would need to season will be your bouillon cubes, or this is the powder form. You will need black pepper, paprika, allspice, garlic powder, onion powder, which I don't have, and your salt. Also, you will need onions and habanero hot pepper, or we the Africans would call it, bell pepper or hot pepper. This is what my onions and peppers are here. I already blended everything else. This is that. So this is all the spices that I showed you earlier: my salt, my paprika, allspice, black pepper, garlic pepper, and salt. This is what it is. So to make it easier for me, I just put everything in a bowl, and it'll be easier for me to sprinkle up everything else into the meat. Okay, so now I'm gonna sprinkle all the seasoning. And guys, when you seasoning your meat, you could do it the day before or the day and let it sit for an hour or two before you actually put it in the oven, so that the marinade will actually get into the meat. The best thing to do then, you could just do it the day before and have all them spices get into the meat. Okay, so then I'm gonna add my pepper, and I also gonna do the barbecue ribs. That's what this is, but I'm just making it a little bit spicier than normal way of doing ribs. So make sure you mix everything else. Mix it all up. Make sure all the seasoning get into this meat, or into your meat. Okay, so now I am done mixing this meat. I'm just gonna let it rest for about 2 hours before I bake it. Make sure your oven is on 350. So I'm gonna cover it up and let it marinate before I actually put it in the oven, and then let it cook. And then I will come back and show you guys when it's time for me to add the barbecue sauce on the meat. Like I said, this is pork spare ribs that I'm doing, but I just make it a little bit the African way, spicier, and basically, yeah. So yeah, basically that's it. And yeah, I'll show you guys after 2 hours. I'm gonna put it in the oven and let it cook for about an hour. Bring it out, drain the water out of it, and then add the barbecue sauce. Don't add the barbecue sauce without draining the water, because it'll be all soupy. You don't want that. So you want to drain all the water out and then add the barbecue sauce on there. Okay, all right. Okay guys, so this is how the ribs are looking after they have been cooked for 1 hour. I drained the water out of it, and this is how the ribs are looking. So now I'm gonna be using my barbecue sauce that I got from Walmart. So these are 88 cents for one. So I got 2 different ones, and I mixed them together. So this is the barbecue sauce right here. Those 2 bottles that I just show you guys, and this is how I mix both bottles together, and now I'm just gonna pour it on top of the ribs. If you need more, you can add more as you go on, because I still have a bottle left. But I'm gonna rub this together, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven, and then I will show you guys the final results. Okay guys, so this is the final look of the ribs that I cooked. And yes guys, so thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video.